In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment that's less than the full invoice amount, so your customer balances and reports stay accurate. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company and looking to the left-hand panel. Click on Sales. This takes you to the area where you manage customers, products, and, most importantly for today, your invoices. Once you're in Sales, go to the Invoices tab. This tab lists all your invoices, open, paid, and partially paid, so you can quickly find the one that needs attention. From the list of invoices, locate the specific invoice for which you received a partial payment. On that same line, click Receive Payment. This option tells QuickBooks you're recording money against that invoice, but not necessarily the entire amount. When the Receive Payment window opens, you'll see that QuickBooks often defaults to the full amount due. Replace the amount received with the partial payment you actually received. Enter the number carefully to match the amount your customer sent. This is the key step that ensures the payment is recorded as partial rather than closing out the invoice entirely. Keeping this accurate helps your accounts receivable aging, customer statements, and cash flow reports reflect the real situation. Once the amount is correct, click Save and Close. With that, QuickBooks will record the payment against the invoice and leave the remaining balance open. You'll see that the invoice now shows as partially paid, which is exactly what you want. The outstanding amount will remain due, and you can apply future payments later in the same way when the customer sends them. That's the entire process. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Make sure you selected the correct invoice before you click. Receive payment. It's easy to choose the wrong one when you're moving quickly. Double-check the amount you type so it matches the payment you actually received. And remember, you don't need to create a new invoice for the remaining balance. QuickBooks keeps the original invoice open with the updated amount due, which keeps your records cleaner and your reporting more reliable. If you later receive another payment for the same invoice, you can repeat this flow from the invoice list and apply the next amount. Doing this consistently helps you maintain accurate customer balances without extra work. That's all there is to it. You've successfully entered a partial payment in QuickBooks Online.